Hey, you're watching this video because you can't put gas in your car, right? That's the problem. And you're hoping that you found a video here on YouTube with somebody that can tell you what the heck to do about it. Well, you did. You found me. I can tell you what to do about it. But the problem is it's going to take a longer video than I have time to make right now. So in the meantime, I just want to let you know what happened so you at least understand that. And I want to also let you know that this can be addressed without throwing money at it. This is a freebie here. This one here is a freebie. A lot of things in your car ain't. In fact, in the rest of the system, the evap system, they're not freebies. You've got to put money into it. So anyways, what you did was the filler tube that goes down to your gas tank is you filled it too much. You filled it to the top and then you squeezed some more drops into it. You topped it off. I call it topping it off. And when you do that, you actually cause the evap system to fail. Not the entire system, but part of it. Enough of it so that now you can't put gas in it. So that's what you did. It's basically your fault. You just overdid it. You got to try to never do it like that again. In the meantime, don't freak out over it. Like I said, it's a freebie. You just got to know how to fix it. And I'll tell you that in another video. So for now, if you got a question or comment, just throw them in there and I'll catch them. And when I do, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And keep an eye out for the other video I'm going to put up. It'll be titled similar to this one. All right. Good luck. Hang in there, man. We'll get it fixed for you.